Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Alive. In this video, I will explain you how a diode can be used to clip a waveform. And the circuits that are used to clip the waveform are called clipping circuits. Actually, these are the circuit which controls the shape of the output waveform by removing a portion of it. To make a clipping circuit, we require at least two components, and these are diode and resistor, a resistor and a diode. These circuits can be used in radars and digital and other electronic devices. Basically, these are of three types: positive clipper, negative clipper, biased clipper, and combination clipper. First, I will explain you positive clipper. In this circuit, we have used a resistance R and a diode D and a resistance RL across which we are taking the output waveform. In this circuit, we will remove positive half cycle of this input signal. This is sine wave. In this circuit, we will remove this portion from 0 to T1. We will remove this portion, and at the output we will get only the negative half cycle. Now, I will explain you working how the positive half cycle is clipped off. During positive half cycle, terminal A is positive with respect to terminal B. So the diode is forward bias because P region of this diode is connected to the positive terminal and N region is connected to the negative terminal. So the diode is forward bias. And in case of forward biasing, the diode acts as a short circuit or a closed switch, because in forward biasing, a diode exhibits very low resistance, that is almost equal to 0. So the current will flow through this circuit because it is short circuit. We can reduce the circuit to this circuit because the diode acts as a closed switch. So we can show this forward biasing as a closed switch. Now in this case, because there is no resistance and there is a resistance, so the current will follow this path, not this path, through RL. So current is flowing through in this direction through this short circuit. As the no current in this resistance RL, because no current in this branch, so there will be no voltage drop in this RL and the output will be 0. So during 0 to time T1, there will be no output. Now during negative half cycle, terminal A is negative with respect to B. So the diode is reverse bias. In case of reverse biasing, the diode exhibits a very high resistance and acts like a open switch. So the circuit can be reduced to this one. This is shown by open circuit. The diode acts like a open circuit. Now the current will follow this path from this to this direction. Now because the current is flowing through this resistance RL, so there will be voltage drop, and that voltage drop will be almost equal to minus Vm. As we are considering ideal case, so the voltage will be almost equal to minus Vm. To calculate voltage across this RL, we will use voltage divider rule. To find out the voltage across this RL into input voltage upon equivalent resistance of this circuit. In this case, the equivalent resistance is R plus RL. As this RL is much greater than this R, so we can neglect this R. What is left? This RL will be cancelled by this RL. So what is left? Minus Vm. So the output voltage will be equal to minus Vm. So in this case, from T to T1 to T2. So from T1 to T2, we will get the output voltage at the output side. So this is positive clipper because in this case we have removed the positive portion of this wave. In case of negative clipper, we have reverted the direction of diode D. In case of positive clipper, the direction of the diode was this one. And in case of negative clipper, the diode is reverted. So when we apply a positive half cycle of this input signal, this terminal A is positive and this terminal B with respect to this terminal B. So the diode is reversed bias because N region is connected to P region. And in case of reverse biasing, the diode exhibits very high resistance, so the diode acts like a open switch. So the current will follow this path from R to RL in this direction. So we will get output in this case. Now during negative half cycle, the terminal A is negative. In this case, the terminal A is negative with respect to this one. It is positive. In this case, the diode is forward bias because N region is connected to negative side. So the diode is forward bias. So it will act like a closed switch. Now the direction of the current will be through from B side to diode and through this R. So direction of the current, will be like this. So in this case, there will be no current in this RL. So we will get no output. So there will be no output at the output waveform. Now we will consider biased clipper. In case of biased clipper, we will apply a battery across this diode. Now when we apply this waveform at the input of this circuit during positive half cycle, terminal A is positive with respect to terminal B. So we can see this diode is forward bias, but actually this will not be forward bias until this voltage V is greater than this input voltage. So when this voltage, input voltage, is less than this V voltage, this diode is reversed bias, and because this is reversed bias, so it will act like a open switch and the current will flow through this path through RL. So we will get output up to voltage V. After, when this input voltage becomes greater than this voltage, when this input voltage becomes greater than this V voltage, this diode is forward bias and it will act like a closed switch. So the current will follow this path, not this one. So there will be no voltage drop across this RL. In this case, we will get no output. So the portion is clipped off. This portion is clipped off. Now during negative half cycle, the terminal A is negative with respect to this terminal B. In this case, this diode is reversed bias because P region is connected to negative side. As the diode is reversed bias, this will act like a open switch and the current will follow this path through this one. Current will follow this path and there will be voltage drop across this RL and we will get full negative half cycle at the output. Now we will consider combination clipper. In case of combination clipper, we will use two diodes, diode D1 and diode D2, and we have biased these two diodes by using these voltages, these batteries V1 and V2. Let this is equals to 2 volt and this is also equals to 2 volt. These are 2 volt. So during positive half cycle, A is positive and with respect to B. So because it is positive, A is positive, so this diode is forward bias and this diode is reversed bias. So it will act like a open switch. But as this diode up to voltage 2, as the voltage is increasing this manner, so up to voltage 2, this diode is reversed bias. So it will act like a open switch up to voltage 2. So the current will follow this path through RL. So there will be voltage drop. So we will get output. And this is the output up to voltage V1. Means equals to voltage 2 volt. We are getting output. Now when this input voltage crosses these two and becomes 3, 4 or 5, this diode becomes forward bias, means greater when this voltage, input voltage, becomes greater than this 2. This diode is forward bias and this diode acts like a closed switch. So the current will follow this path. not this one. The current will follow this path. As the current is follow this path, there will be no output and no current and no voltage drop in this RL. So we will get no output. So there will be no output. Now during negative half cycle, this A is negative with respect to B. Now in this case, this diode becomes reversed bias and this diode becomes forward bias. But up to voltage V2, this diode is reversed bias. So both the diodes are reversed bias. The current will follow this path in this direction. The current will follow this path going through RL. So there will be voltage drop and we will get output. This is the output. This wave is showing voltage -2. This is -2. So we will get output. So we will get output until this diode is reversed bias. When this input negative voltage becomes greater than this V2, this diode becomes forward bias. As this becomes forward bias, this diode acts like a closed switch and the current will follow this path in this direction. So there will be no current, so no voltage drop in RL. So we will get no output in this case. So the wave is clipped off from top side in both positive half and in negative half. I hope you understand the concept of combination clipper, biased clipper and positive negative clipper. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.